Hey, where are we at?
We're at
In
Atlanta.
at the JW Marriott in Buckhead.
Let me show you our view.
It is crazy.
You'll see in the view.
Watch this. Look at all of this.
Yeah, that's nice. But what's really nice is over there is the skyline. All right, show us the rest of the room.
Okay. Here's our little couch area.
And seating area. Yeah, that's nice.
We have
There's
our
Mama.
bed right here. There's the TV.
See those beds.
And what was
Looks
it?
really nice.
Here's this fridge.
There's a fridge.
Oh, there it is. There's the skyline.
There's
Come on.
some-
Let's go look over here.
And here's our little office.
An office area.
And
There's a
closet.
closet.
And there's our
Oh,
bathroom.
the bathroom with a nice
Shower.
shower and
mirror.
mirror and a nice tub.
And a nice painting.
Oh, beautiful.
And a nice rug.
It is a nice room.
It does look nice. All right.
Bye-bye.
Seems like it's going to be fun.
Bye.